First, we need to ask, what is matter? The nature of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. The word matter comes from the Latin word materia, meaning material or stuff. Examples of matter include anything you can observe easily with your senses: rocks, trees, bicycles, air, basically everything and anything. The only thing that wouldn't be matter would be energy: sunlight, heat, electricity. No mass or volume, so they can't be matter. What is an atom? All matter is made up of atoms, the smallest unit of an element. It consists of a central nucleus surrounded by one or more electrons. What is the nucleus? It is the center part of the atom. It is composed of both protons and neutrons, and it contains most of an atom's mass. What is a proton? A proton is a positively charged particle. It is found within the atomic nucleus. A neutron is an uncharged particle found within the atomic nucleus. An electron is a negatively charged particle. It's located in shells that surround an atom's nucleus, so it's outside the nucleus in the electron cloud. So that is what a structure of an atom would look like. The protons and neutrons are in that nucleus in the center of the atom. Our electrons exist outside in that neutron cloud. Elements, molecules, and compounds. Elements and compounds make up all the different kinds of matter in the universe. Elements are the simplest form of matter. They cannot be broken down into simpler substances. And each element is made of atoms of the same type. Each has a unique set of physical and chemical properties. There are 118 actual known elements in the universe. Approximately 92 of them are found naturally on Earth, and the others are man-made. Examples of elements would include gold, silver, oxygen, hydrogen, aluminum, nitrogen, tin, calcium. 6 of our elements make up 99% of all living matter: sulfur, potassium, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen. Compounds, molecules, and elements. Compounds are 2 or more elements combined chemically together. The properties are different from the properties of the element that make them up. Elements in a compound have a fixed ratio. For example, if we take Na, which is sodium, and Cl, which is chloride, and we put those two together, they form sodium chloride, which is table salt. Most matter in the universe is in the form of compounds, and compounds are those 2 or more elements combined chemically together. Molecules and elements and compounds. When 2 or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Most molecules are made of 2 or more atoms. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance with the same properties of the substance. Compounds are different from molecules because compound is used to describe the substance in general and is made of different elements, while molecules describes the smallest particle of the substance. This is just a visual representation of what each of those are. So an atom is 1. A molecule in a compound would be made up of that, but it's the smallest bit of that. This is a molecule in a compound because they are different substances. But a molecule of oxygen might look very similar to this. A compound, this compound could be water, table salt. And a mixture is going to have more compounds, more elements, more molecules inside.